This is San Diego News Now.
Good afternoon, I'm Susan Taylor.
And I'm Catherine Garcia.
U.S. Marshals tracked down Susan Lafavre and sent her back to Michigan to finish her prison term for a drug conviction. Her scheduled release is tomorrow.
Great. I think it's about time she get home. It's too bad she had to go away in the first place.
Lafavre was living here as Marie Walsh, the name she took after escaping from that Detroit prison more than 30 years ago. Her husband and two daughters apparently knew nothing about Lafavre's criminal past.
They were being misled. This was another part of her life that nobody knew about. And so there's that distrust, there's that breach, but betrayal and breaches can be healed.
George Pratt says the family had to be deeply affected by Lafavre's sudden arrest and return to prison and could be suffering from a form of post-traumatic stress syndrome.
It was not anticipated, so then that causes us to think, wow, the world is not very predictable if things can change all of a sudden. It's almost like a death.
But Dr. Pratt says the emotional pain and confusion can be healed.
Coming from a loving family, they can put this back together. We have some nice tools these days to help with counseling in a pretty effective fashion.
Support from friends and neighbors is also important. They're planning a party for the family. Dr. Pratt says that's a great idea.
Some kind of a ceremony or a ritual, a welcoming back, a new beginning.
At least one neighbor tells us that he'll always refer to Lafavre as Marie Walsh, the name she used all those years in hiding here in San Diego.